So today Amy followed a squirrel. It was in the house, came out, and from below she knew it came out of about right here. So it turns out there was probably where the water went back into the house. Right under here there was a round hole, or 3/4 of a round hole left from when we removed this overhang and put this on. And then I also put a board or diamond over the where there was a piece of metal covering where it went into the house. So I think that's the end of the squirrel opening here. So about a year later, I thought we had them blocked out last year, but apparently we didn't. So while I was out here, I was looking at our overhang here. And over the years, I've decided that more overhang is better. So I grabbed a piece of white aluminum that was downstairs, just slid that in here, wedged it in here. So that's pretty solid. And then I took another one, wedged that up in here to extend this, and that's nice and solid. Then I went and grabbed some of the aluminum I had salvaged from my brother's pole barn roof, and put this friction fit up into there, all along here. Cut little 45s on the corner so they're not pointed, and they're in there really, really solid. So if they were to let loose, they'll end up on the ground, but I don't really think they will. Worst case scenario, I could screw into here probably and screw them in with those nice, this type of screw right here. But I don't think I need to. So I noticed I missed one little 45 over here. I'm going to go do that with the little clips, tin clips. And then I think that'll protect. I didn't do over here, but this is where we come around the corner. This is the window we take out. And I could go get more aluminum, but I'd rather leave a little spot here. Plus, there's not much coming down here. Whereas here, there's a lot of water coming down through here. A few years ago, I did this with some drip edge to direct the water over here, because my door down, the basement door, is about right down through here. It's right below there. So this directs the water over. It works so good, I may even extend it a little bit just to get a little bit further from the door. But it's really good the way it is, not bad at all. Someday we got to get up here and we got to get caulking around these and finishing this off. And there's just a lot of odd jobs we have to do. This, I decided I'm going to take these out and do white aluminum right here. That I'll probably take that one down, do the aluminum up in, and then put that one back on so it's all covered. Same way with there, just pull those screws, put another piece in, screw them back in. And then one of these days I got to get up here and do some work on that chimney. You can see where it needs some work there. And actually this whole thing needs work here. But this will be out of all the valleys we need to do, this will be the last one because it's in the best shape as of right now. Okay, so I think we're going to call it a day, but hopefully we got the squirrels blocked now. I know one other spot where maybe a bat could get in, but I'm going to be taking care of that soon. And then there's another spot in one of the dormers, but I got to take care of that soon too.